Okay, so you should have watched my video introducing what percents are, and I just want to do a couple of quick examples for you so that you have a general understanding of what percents are. So percents are ratios that compare a quantity to 100. So we always want to think about comparing the quantity to 100. So if we look at this first example here, okay, we have a 100 grid. So this is actually going to be very easy to find the percent of because it's already out of 100. So there are 100 total squares here. And if we look, since each of these are 10, or each row is 10, we can say that this is 10, 20, 30, and then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So if this is 36 out of 100, that's equal to 36%, just like that. Okay, now this is asking how many should you color to represent 60%. Okay, so this time, this is going to be out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to figure out 5, something out of 5 equals 60%, which is 60 out of 100. Okay, so basically let's look and see what do we have to divide 100 by to get down to 5. So if we divide 100 by 20, we get 5. So that means that each of these, so 1/5 is worth 20 hundredths. So each of these is 20%. Okay, each of those is 20%. So if we take 60 and divide it by 20, we're going to get 3. Okay, and that makes sense because if I said that each of these is 20, one of them would be 20%, 2 of them would be 40%, and 3 of them would be 60%. So to color in 60% out of 5, we color in 3. Okay, now it says you are eating Skittles. 16 out of 50 of them are purple. What percent are purple? So we can start by writing this as a fraction form of a ratio. 16 out of 50, and now we know that percents are always out of 100. So we can say 16/50ths is equal to something out of 100. Now to get from 50 to 100, we multiply by 2. So we multiply 16 by 2, we get 30. Sorry, we get 32, my bad. So 16 out of 50 is equal to 32 out of 100, which equals 32%. Okay, and last but not least, we have 25% of your coin collection is quarters. If you have 12 quarters, how many coins do you have in your coin collection? So here we have 12 coins being quarters out of some number of total coins. And that's going to be equal to 25 out of 100 because that's our percent. It's 25%. So let's think of this one a little bit differently. 25 out of 100 is equal to 1/4. Okay, and so we're trying to figure out 12 out of what is equal to 1 out of 4, or 1/4. So to figure that out, we can simply multiply 12 by 4, and we can see that that is equal to 48. So 12 out of 48 is equal to 1/4. And we can further just prove that by thinking about, well, what's 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 12, 1, and 48 divided by 12 is 4. So we know that that's equal to 4. So how many coins do you have in your coin collection? 48. Now notice how this is not a percent because I was not asked to give the percent, I was asked to give the total number of coins.